Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Linode affiliate commissions step by step clearly. To withdraw your Linode affiliate commissions, start by logging into your Linode affiliate account. Navigate to the dashboard where your earnings are displayed. Check your commission balance to ensure you have met the minimum withdrawal threshold. If your balance qualifies, look for the withdrawal or payout option in the menu. Click on this option to proceed with the withdrawal process. You will be prompted to select your preferred payout method. Available methods typically include PayPal and bank transfer. Choose the method that best suits your needs. If you select PayPal, enter your PayPal email address carefully. For bank transfers, provide the necessary banking details as required. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Review the terms and conditions regarding withdrawals before proceeding. After confirming, submit your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your request. Keep an eye on your account for updates on the status of your withdrawal. Allow a few business days for the transaction to process, depending on the chosen method. Once processed, the funds will reflect in your chosen account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Linode support for assistance. Stay informed about your earnings by regularly checking your affiliate dashboard. This will help you track your commissions and plan future withdrawals effectively. Following these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.